Now, Azure's released a new security feature called the soft delete for recovery services vaults. If you're not familiar with the term, a soft delete is when you go and delete something, but it doesn't actually get deleted right away. There is a delay between the time that you initiate the delete process and when it gets actually deleted. This allows you to change your mind. Now, the reason this is a security feature is because if somebody was to hack into your account and to delete your virtual machines, they would then also maybe want to delete your backups, and that would really get you in trouble. So them not being able to affect your backups because you can restore within 14-day period is a security feature. Now, this is enabled by default on brand new recovery services vaults. If you have an older recovery services vault, you can turn this on. Now, in Azure, the soft delete process takes 14 full days. So if you initiate a delete, there is a 14-day period where it's still available for you. That means you can undelete it. And once you undelete it, that file is available to recover from and things like that. It becomes back to a normal state. On the 15th day, if you have not undeleted the file, it gets auto-deleted. Now, that's explained. This graph is from Microsoft website. Pretty much that's what's being explained here is that after 15 days and no user action is required and the data gets permanently deleted. And if you stop that undelete within 14 days, then you can actually resume the backup jobs and get your virtual machine going again, or you can restore from that backup, etc.